could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this beautiful highlighted wig. Honestly, highlighted wigs always look good on my skin tone, so whenever I get to try a highlighted wig, I am super excited. I did do a little bit, I did do something different with this wig when it comes on to the curling of it. It did come pre-curled, but I went ahead and added some rollers in it, which I got from Amazon. Luvme Hair also sell rollers on their website because I did use 4 of their rollers that they actually sent inside the package, but the size that I got and most of the rollers that I used was from Amazon. I will actually link it down below if you guys want to purchase it as well. But yeah, I did go ahead and I used the rollers to get these curls and to get this look. But before I jump into the tutorial on how I got this look, I'm just gonna show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. The specs for this wig though, I know it's a 13x4. I think it is either 24 inches. It's not 26 inches and it's not 22. I think it's 24 inches, but the specific detail for the wig will be down in the description box, so don't quote me on the length. But it is a 13x4 highlighted wig. And inside the box they sent me some stocking cap, but this stocking cap is too dark for my skin tone. I couldn't use it. They sent me some bonnets, sent me their Luvme Hair scarf, and this is what you use when you're tying down your baby hairs and you don't want your baby hairs to be lifted. That helps. They sent me some baby hair combs or edge brush, whatever you guys want to call it. These are just some labelers for your wig, so you can know exactly what wig it is that is inside your package after you're done wearing it. Or not the package, but the bag itself, to put your wig in when you're done wearing it. And they also sent their user guide, which tells you how to care for your hair and also more information on the company itself. But before I do anything else, let's just jump into it.
I want a contract, girl, no, maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my picture did Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no, maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
just some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
just some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Focus on me, baby. Can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I hate, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on? Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then late at night, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. Don't you on the scene? Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Cozy.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might say fuck the niggas that you game with. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might turn to $1 million and we all That's just how I feel. Just how I feel.
Till we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one out to get the stove. No way, love one of you bucket head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. What's persuasive? What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't cool, they wasn't. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. That burn came on, that burn came on. Hot sauce all that night top rhyming, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Parked the car, then we start rhyming, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. We never knew. Go at a revenue for the revenue. Go Holly Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just the same. Money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Yeah.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to the wig will be down in the description box. So if you guys love to purchase it, definitely check down below. I do have a coupon code. It's also down in the description box as well. And the coupon code is valid for all the wigs on their website. So not just this wig. But for now, this is the end. And I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, a whole lot of red rubies on my neck.